Okay, welcome back peeps, topics and gadgets. And today is different plans, you know, I'm on it like Sonic I am. I'm actually changing this van around so many times, it's unbelievable. Okay, the first thing is, I've been at it all day welding up the aluminium bed. I've got the bed welded up as I wanted to. I started doing some strength tests because my whole plan was to keep the van as light as possible and to have my aluminium bed with seat belts, with 3-point seat belts. And had some comments, I think Jimmy was one of them, saying it was not recommended. Thank you for leaving a comment, and you know, that's why I've done these tests. So basically what I did, I put like 60 kilos weight on each corner, and Jimmy was right, what it did, it just ripped the aluminium. The joint was holding proper, but it just ripped like paper. So I decided to make this side out of wood now. I could have kept the aluminium over here as a bed, to be honest, but I was thinking in my head, just imagine I was camping and you know, you know what kids are like. Kids start jumping on the bed and then one of the aluminiums rip, then I ain't got a bed for the night. So wood, obviously I can always repair, and this wood's quite strong, I don't think I'm going to break this. But my plan is now, do this bit out of wood, because this is a bit of slide out here, a 4-foot slide out, and the part where I'm sitting here, just here, I'm going to do it out of steel, but I'm not going to have heavy steel. I'm going to get someone to weld it up. Well, I can try it myself, but I don't think I'm going to try it because I've burnt my fingers and that a lot today. So yeah, I'm going to get someone to build a 2-foot, about 17 inches up I think it is, yeah, 17 inches up, steel, and then I'm going to have a steel plate up here, and steel bar, so I can put the 3-point seat belts. I can have 2 seat belts here, one there and one there. So what do you think? So that is my idea, or my plan to do. And here, obviously I'm thinking about using my old table, cut it down to size or leave it like that, I'm not sure yet. Have it on hinges, open it up and box this out, so I can have this like my wardrobe area, if that makes sense. I think that'd be pretty cool. It's quite big as well, I can hold quite a lot of clothes in there. So, you know, clothes, I want to put a fridge and a cooler box there, fridge and a cooler box there. Pretty cool. Let me show you the bed, what I've done so far. I've got long screws going through the wood, so all I've got to do, I've got to grind them down. The reason I went out through the wood, so I know how far I penetrated the wood, you know what I mean, to make sure it's really strong. That's the reason I've done it, especially on the slats. So let me just show you this. Okay, so this is the bed. Obviously I ran out of wood, and so far this has cost me about 33 quid, okay, so it's quite cheap. So I've got a brace here to there, then I'm going to brace from there to there, then I'm going to brace there, all the way there, and then another one along there, and then I'm going to box this off, as I said, you know, for this part. Let me put that back up there. And as you can see at the back, I've got no support on the top or here, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to drop a leg down here to here, same over there, and obviously at the end it's going to be bolted to the van. So here's solid metal, and I'm going to put some big bolts in like this. Where are they? I had them somewhere. Like this. Similar to these ones, yeah, these ones. They're the ones I'm going to put in. So yeah, the van's getting there. I have to get this van done as soon as possible because obviously we're having some meetups at Scotland and France. And to be honest, it's not that far really off. I still got to do that back door. I keep jumping to, like, you know, from the shower to here to there. It's crazy. So guys, my next video I'll show you about this TV. This TV is so cool. I always wanted one of these TVs. It's only 15.4, but it's wicked. Let me just show you a few things. Obviously got USB, it's got SD, micro card or whatever. It's got a DVD player. It's got another USB at the back. It's got HDMI. It's got a SCART lead, it's got a component, it's digital, and I'm telling you now, that TV is light compared to this heavy thing here. This thing weighs about 10-15 kilos. That weighs about nothing. Look, it's not even on the bolts properly. Look, just put some new bolt, I'll put another bolt in there and that's it, and then I'm done. But that thing there is really light, so as I said, my whole objective of this van to make it as light as possible. Nothing I could have done really here, to be honest, but that wood's not that heavy. I should have used that wood for my shower as well. Look how thick that one is. It's light, it's not heavy, obviously it's light, but look at that. Look at that square compared to that square. That's nearly half of the size. So I wish I'd have used that wood for my shower now, but that's what happens, isn't it? You go to the shop and you find different wood and stuff like that. So yeah, my objective here now. Let me show you what I'm going to try to do here. So obviously this pulls out. Obviously it's not going to pull out now because I've got that there, and obviously it's blocking at the back. But what I'm trying to do, I'm just trying to work it out. I'm going to lift this up an inch, and then it's going to have another leg here, obviously here connected to this part, and I'm going to put it on runners. So basically when it's stabled like that, I can pull out the fridge and I can slide it back, and then when I want to go to sleep I can pull this and the fridge comes with it and I pull it out. You know what I'm saying? So that's pretty cool. And then I'm going to have a fridge on this side. It's exactly the same fridge. That one is going to be here. Got the same one. Yeah, and then I'm going to have that one on the slide out as well. I'm going to have that one as my freezer maybe, and that one as my fridge. I'm not really sure. You get the gist, you know what I mean? So yeah guys, just giving you a little update. I haven't done nothing else. I've just done that. I'm going to hoover up the van and hopefully get everything together. Starting the shower tomorrow as well. I've got some bits coming for the shower. That's the problem, guys. You have to wait for your parts. You know what I mean? You can't just go and get them. Obviously, wood you can go and get, but certain things you can't get. You need it offline. So there you go, peeps. Let me know in the comments below. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that aluminium, to be honest, but I might be able to use it for shelves or something like that. I'm not really sure, but you know, you lose money sometimes. That's the hard objective. So the van is getting there now. At least I've got a bed in here. I can camp. I can actually go camping now. So guys, tell me what you think. Obviously you lose money. That's the reason I do this video, so you can follow and see how it goes and stuff like that. But you lose some, you win some. So I'm happy with the bed, to be honest. The only thing is, I need seat belts at the back. That's my objective. So I need to get seat belts here. So now I have to put a steel frame, at least half of it still, not the whole bed. Like I was going to do the whole bed with aluminium, but I think it would have looked cool with aluminium. If it was stronger, I should have bought the thicker aluminium, but I don't know. You don't know these things, do you, till you try it. So Hobbies and Gadgets now signing out. Stay safe, click that like button, subscribe. Peace.